Hello, YouTubers. What we got here? A Brito in the house. This is a Brito limited edition watch, as you see. And Mr. Romero Brito is a world-renowned artist. And he have collaborated with Invicta to put some of his artwork on their watches. Let's see what's inside. Boom. This is some of Mr. Brito's artwork. And I don't know right off the top of my head which painting is this, but well, it's beautiful. Like I said, this is a limited edition watch, a nice fancy display and watch box. And let's see what's inside that. Bam! There it is. This is an Invicta Bolt, B-O-L-T, Bolt edition of this watch. As you can see, the cabling around it in different colors. But let's take a closer look at it. Let's take this wrapping off of it. The wrapping, the watch. Nice. Have yellow cabling, orange cabling, and yellow cabling, and all kinds of cabling. Green, silver. Nice. Even the accents has glass tubes with the cabling inside on both sides. Stainless steel alloy, 20 millimeters thick, 52 millimeters wide. Nice stainless steel watch. Nice size crown. Has Romero Brito's autograph. And like I said, this is a limited edition watch, and this is number 129 of 1,000 watches made. Has the trinite arms and the numbers inside the bezel to glow at night. And it is gorgeous. This is one of Brito's work on the face of the watch. As you can see, it's triple layered with the black bars and you got the artwork underneath the bar and another one below that. So it's triple layered artwork. It's beautiful. Well, let's see what the watch of the day is. This is my nice little beater watch. It's a Lange watch. Nothing fancy, but it is beautiful. Let's put this bad boy on. Look at there, look at there. Definitely an eye catcher. Well, tell me what you think. If you like it, like it. Please subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more content of other watches that I have on display. Watch those if you don't mind. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and peace.